What's up everybody, this is Lezimadesigns and welcome to the weekend. Welcome back guys to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna make a mini tour of our bathroom. Okay, so on this video has no filter, meaning I didn't clean, and this is as is. So here is our bathroom. It's a small bathroom, like our bedroom. It's a small bedroom too. So okay, so if you guys see my bathroom makeover on this specific bathroom, it was a yellow and yellow green painting. So it's time for the makeover, and this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so most of the decoration is from Target and IKEA, as like my bedroom, and this is too bright, but this blind is the same as in the bedroom, the cordless one. And then this planter is from IKEA, and I created this hanging cords for my planter, and obviously these artificial plants is from Amazon. And this little cute right here is from Target on the bullseye section that matches my gold water thing in there. That's why I painted this gold. Then here's my mini shelf above my toilet. And I got this basket from Target for $10. I put all my toilet paper over here, but I gotta refill later. And this one right here is a ceramic sign. It's in Magnolia section at Target. And this one is from IKEA, same as this pot is from IKEA. And this mini weave basket is, I got this from Hawaii, that I was visiting my family there. And then this is a I think I forgot for the placemats from Target. I got this for $6. There's a little perfume over there. And this shelf is from IKEA, so they have 3 different colors. This is actually upside down. I just flip it because it does not fit for my decoration, so I put it upside down. But this is for like picture frames or a smaller decoration that you can use. So they have 3 different colors. They have this birch wood, white, and black. So this shelf that I have is originally black, and I painted it white. If you can see a little cheat over here, this is what it looks like. So I painted it white and I didn't like it, so I have these a sticky birch color, and I wrap it on my shelf. So that's how it looks like that right now. And then these mini jars is from Target. And I have my little gold decoration over here for nothing. My little box over there for my knickknacks that completely just nothing. And then I painted the cabinet, and I painted the handles gold. And I have this little towel over here that I hanged. And then this guy right here is from IKEA. They have different sizes, and there's a square version of this one. So this is where I hide my bathroom thingy. Right there. And a makeup mirror that I don't really use. It was just there. And this is from Magnolia. Oops, hold on, it's crooked. It's a $7 sign. And then the medicine cabinet and a towel. I changed those lightings, and I got those glass cons or shade from Lowe's. Right there. So this is our bathroom. It's very simple. And okay, well, that's the tub and that's the shower right there, but I'm not gonna show you because it's nothing special behind that door. So this is it. So here's my favorite highlight of my bathroom is my flooring. So I kind of did a little cheat over here because I didn't do the right process, but it's working. I mean, it's not that bad. I'm really taking care of it really good. So this flooring is a peel and stick vinyl. So originally there's a tile underneath the original bathroom flooring that I have. And so since I don't want to rip or gut the whole entire bathroom, so what I did, I used this vinyl flooring to peel and stick it in the existing tile. So this is really nice flooring. I really do like it, and contrast on my walls and cabinets. And it's really, really easy to do. I mean, it's only a peel and stick. And it's just ready. Just cut it the way how you need to cut them. And then, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tour video of our bathroom. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And please do visit my website lezimadesigns.com for more. And this is Lezima Transforming Homes.